Hey guys, got a 2026 plate Nissan Qashqai here. Just going to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure the engine or the ignition is switched on. Then from here, you want to use the controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel and the screen in front of the steering wheel. I'm going to scroll across until you get to the little car icon. Then on here, clicking the scroller, and scroll down to calibrate. Now first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressure, and once they are, I'm going to click on calibrate, confirm reset, scroll down, go to yes, and then OK. That's it.